Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anissa. Today I would like to talk about assessing primary schools readiness for sexuality education integration, a case study in Kulon Progo. This is my team members. There are Bu Anita Aisyah, Mbak Lisa Putri Cendana, Mas Muhammad Faizul Aulia, and also Mbak Herianti. We are come from Department of Islamic Education, Faculty of Islamic Studies. This program scheme is Muhammadiyah School Community Service Program. And for the background, this activity is motivated by the urgent need for values and culture-based sex education that is appropriate for elementary school age children, as well as growing public concern about the issues of sexual violence against children. The study aims to explore the readiness of elementary schools in integrating sex education as part of the learning process in Kulon Progo Regency. And the target and scope, the study recommends the need for teacher training, the development of age-appropriate, that relevant sexual education guidelines, and the strengthening of collaboration between school and parents for the sustainable integration of sexual education. For the methodology, we are using descriptive qualitative approach with data collection technique involving open-ended questionnaire and in-depth interviews. For data gathering technique, the training evaluation was conducted using a post-test instrument in the form of an open-ended questionnaire designed to explore teachers' understanding of sexual education in elementary school students. The post-test consisted of 4 open-ended questions covering educator views on the duty to protect student sexual nature. The second, the form of intervention carried out by educators. And the third, the role of educators in dealing with students involved in romantic relationship or dating. And the last one, intervention for students who are victims of sexual violence. And the data analysis was conducted with the help of Maxda 2020 software, which was used to manage the data, perform coding, and map the main themes. Okay, this is what the findings. The first one, educators' duty in safeguarding student sexual fitrah. And the second one, intervention for sexual violence in school. The data shows analysis of teachers' response revealed to main themes, sexual education and creating a positive environment. And the intervention for sexual violence in school, there are 5 themes were found in this aspect, namely introspection, socialization, discussion forum, personal approach, and reporting. And the third one, attitude towards student dating at school. In addressing the phenomenon of students in romantic relationship, 2 main themes emerged, that is early religious prevention and Islamic dating education. And the fourth, intervention for student victims of sexual violence. There are some sections, namely listening, motivating, and also assisting. The fifth, supporting needs for the implementation of sexual education. Although not explicitly asked, some responses indicated important needs that are prerequisites. Successful integration of sexual education in primary school, including teacher training, operational guidelines, support from school principal, and also parental involvement. The conclusion, we conclude that primary school teachers in Kulon Progo district have an initial understanding and commitment to the importance of sexual education. However, implementation readiness in the field is still limited by the lack of operational guidelines and the need for cross-party support. The fifth aspect arises, namely the task of maintaining student sexual nature, intervention against sexual violence, attitude towards dating, handling victims, and so on. I think enough. my presentation. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.